Slovakia's Ministry of Defense signed a letter of intent to purchase 3 C-390 Millennium military transport aircraft from Brazilian manufacturer Embraer. This acquisition is part of Slovakia's efforts to modernize its air force and replace its aging fleet of C-27J Spartans. The C-390 Millennium, known for its versatility and reliability, will significantly boost Slovakia's airlift capabilities, increasing its capacity fivefold. The C-390 is capable of carrying up to 25 tons of cargo and can operate over a range of 2,815 kilometers at a maximum speed of 850 kilometers per hour. Its advanced design makes it ideal for various missions, including troop and cargo transport, medical evacuation, aerial refueling, and humanitarian operations. Additionally, the aircraft can operate on short and unpaved runways, giving it a unique edge in diverse environments. By replacing the C-27J Spartans, the C-390 will help Slovakia enhance its logistical capabilities, both domestically and internationally. It will also improve interoperability with NATO and EU allies, including neighboring countries like the Czech Republic, Austria, and Hungary, which have also selected the C-390 for their fleets. This will foster closer cooperation in training, logistics, and maintenance, further strengthening regional defense ties. The new aircraft will play a crucial role in supporting NATO's defense efforts, particularly in Ukraine. Slovakia's ability to transport military supplies closer to the Ukrainian border will significantly contribute to NATO's ongoing assistance to Ukraine amidst the conflict with Russia. This move is part of a broader strategy by Slovakia to modernize its military forces. In 2018, Slovakia signed a €1.6 billion deal to acquire 14 F-16 fighter jets, replacing its MiG-29s. The country has also ordered advanced air defense systems, including the Barak MX, scheduled to be operational by 2026. These modernizations are aligned with Slovakia's long-term defense goals, as outlined in its 2021 defense strategy. Slovakia has also strengthened its defense partnerships with the United States and NATO. Access to the Foreign Military Financing Program has helped Slovakia replace equipment sent to Ukraine, ensuring that the country maintains a strong defense posture. Slovakia actively contributes to NATO's collective defense, notably through its deployment to Latvia under NATO's enhanced forward presence and the establishment of the YFB Slovakia battle group. With its growing defense capabilities and strengthened alliances, Slovakia is becoming a more important player in European and global security. The C-390 acquisition is a significant step forward in modernizing the Slovak Air Force, increasing its airlift capacity, and ensuring that the country is well prepared for future challenges in NATO and beyond.